Today on Practical Thursdays, 8 helpful equipment to organize before disaster strikes.
CBRC Gumaka offers programs for let and civil service, located at with this contact number. Enroll now.
Often than not, natural calamities such as floods, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions strike at a most unexpected time, leaving people off guard. Although disasters are inevitable, it is vital to prepare an array of handy items, otherwise known as an emergency survival kit, just in case.
Here is a list of equipment to store if calamities strike. Number 1. Water. There must be water, good for 3 days, which would be consumed for drinking and for hygiene. Number 2. Food. Those that do not get rotten easily are advisable, like canned goods, again, stock for 3 days. Number 3. Flashlight with extra batteries. Since the possibility of a blackout is high and it is dangerous to move around without illuminating your surroundings, as sharp objects may be present. Number 4. Radio with extra batteries. This is important for weather and evacuation updates. Number 5. First aid kit. Wounds can be acquired during emergencies, so it would be helpful if there's a spare of the following: alcohol, bandage, gauze, cotton, povidone iodine, hydrogen peroxide, BP apparatus, stethoscope, thermometer, paracetamol drug, micropore tape, hot and cold pack, scissors, and forceps. Number 6. Whistle. This may be small, but its scope is wide, which makes it a good signal for help. 7. Clothes, blankets, and toiletries. These will provide you comfort and keep you from getting sick. Number 8. Significant documents. Bank records, legal papers, birth as well as marriage certificates, and the like should be placed in a waterproof container. Pia Garais for Practical Thursdays.
Thank you, Pia. According to Stephen King, there is no harm in hoping for the best as long as we're prepared for the worst. Each of us fervently prays for disasters to avert its tear towards us, but then it's better to be prepared whatever happens. We ask so you may know. We feature so you may appreciate. We inform so you may decide. We balance so you may judge. I'm Joy Ziranara, and this is CBRC News Live Practical Thursdays. Good day.